Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Suzuki GSX 8S 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. Lately, Suzuki has been busy debuting its new 776cc parallel twin engine, and then showcasing the mill in the new V-Strom 800DE. But that's not all. Now we get to see the power plant in all its glory in the GSX 8S Naked Street Fighter. Pricing and availability, however, remain undercover for now. Everything about the GSX 8S is new from the ground up. We previously detailed the features of the new engine, which employs a 270-degree firing order and Suzuki cross-balancer design to reduce vibration, promising V-twin feel with more power and a unique exhaust note. Unfortunately, Suzuki has yet to provide concrete figures in terms of horsepower and torque. Riders will be able to move seamlessly through the 6-speed transmission, thanks to the inclusion of Suzuki's bidirectional quick shift system as standard kit on the 8S. The bike will also feature the Suzuki clutch-assist system to smooth feel and performance at the lever. The new engine is neatly held in a steel backbone frame, which has a narrow steel subframe and aluminum swing arm designed to optimize rigidity and stability. The bike is suspended on KYB kit front and rear, with a USD fork providing 5.1 inches of travel and a link-type monoshock at the rear offering preload adjustment. Nissan 4-piston calipers grip a pair of 310mm discs at the front, a single-piston Nissan caliper, and 240mm disc handle braking duties at the back. The 8S will pack a decent assortment of electronics as well. Suzuki's intelligent ride system takes care of the traction control, quick shifter, and drive mode selector. There will be 3 drive modes and 4 traction control settings. Ride-by-wire is also included, as is Suzuki's low RPM assist and easy start systems. All the bike info will be displayed on a 5-inch, full-color TFT instrument panel. Looks-wise, the 8S is the spitting image of the GSX S1000. With its angular beak and stacked LED headlights, the 8S will be available in either Pearl Cosmic Blue, Pearl Tech White, or Metallic Matte Black, Glass Sparkle Black colorways. What do you think about the new Suzuki GSX 8S? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.